Imagine holding a galaxy of information in the palm of your hand, a small, shiny disk that can transport you to different worlds, teach you new skills, or entertain you for hours on end. That's the power of a DVD. It's a compact, versatile medium that has revolutionized the way we store and access data. This small disk, barely larger than a coaster, can contain entire movies, libraries of music, or complex software programs. It's a marvel of engineering and design, capable of holding vast amounts of information in a durable, portable format. But how does this marvel of modern technology come to be? What processes and materials are involved in creating such a sophisticated piece of technology? How do we go from a handful of raw materials to a shimmering disk brimming with data? The journey from raw material to finished product is a fascinating one, filled with precision and innovation. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets behind the creation of a DVD. We will explore the intricate steps and advanced technologies that make this possible. Our exploration begins with the fundamental building blocks, the raw materials that will be transformed into this storage marvel. These materials are carefully selected and processed to ensure the highest quality. Then, we'll delve into the intricate manufacturing process, witnessing each step that brings us closer to the final product. From molding to encoding, each phase is crucial in creating a reliable and high-performing DVD. Finally, we'll examine the rigorous quality control measures that ensure the reliability and longevity of these data-packed discs. Every DVD undergoes stringent testing to meet industry standards. Join me, fellow travelers of the cosmos, as we journey to the heart of DVD manufacturing. Together, we will uncover the meticulous craftsmanship and advanced technology that bring this everyday miracle to life. Prepare to be amazed by the ingenuity and precision that brings this universe of information to life. The DVD is more than just a disc, it's a testament to human innovation and the endless pursuit of knowledge and entertainment. Our journey commences with tiny, unassuming pellets of polycarbonate. These pellets resemble grains of sand, yet they hold the potential to become the transparent foundation of our DVD. The journey from pellet to disc begins with a process called injection molding. Imagine a miniature version of a waffle iron. This is the injection molding machine. Heated to a molten state, the polycarbonate pellets are injected into the mold with immense pressure. The mold is precisely etched with the microscopic grooves that will eventually guide a laser to read the data. As the molten polycarbonate cools and solidifies, it takes on the shape of the mold. The result? A clear, perfectly formed disc, the canvas upon which a universe of information will be painted. This transparent disc, still warm from the molding process, is now ready for its next transformation. The polycarbonate disc, though smooth and transparent, is not yet ready to store data. It serves as the foundation, but it lacks the essential components that make data storage possible. It needs a reflective layer, a mirror that will allow a laser to read the information encoded within. This reflective layer is crucial for the disk's functionality. This is where a thin layer of metal, usually aluminum, comes into play. Aluminum is chosen for its excellent reflective properties and its ability to form a smooth, even coating. The disc enters a chamber where it is bombarded with atoms of aluminum in a process called sputtering. Sputtering ensures that the aluminum atoms are evenly distributed across the disc's surface. This technique ensures that the aluminum adheres evenly to the polycarbonate, creating a flawless reflective surface. The even coating is essential for the disc to function correctly. The thickness of this layer is crucial. It must be precisely controlled to ensure optimal performance. Too thin, and the laser might not reflect properly. This could lead to errors in reading the data. Too thick, and it might obscure the data. The balance must be just right to ensure the disk's reliability. With the application of the aluminum layer, our disk begins to resemble its final form. The reflective surface is now in place, ready for the next steps in the manufacturing process. It gleams under the light, its surface now reflecting the world around it. This gleam is a sign of the disk's readiness to store and reflect data. Yet, this gleaming surface is merely a prelude to the intricate dance of light that will soon transform it into a vessel of information. The journey from a simple polycarbonate disk to a data-storing marvel is well underway. Now comes the moment of truth, the point where our disk transcends its physical form and becomes a vessel of information. This transformation occurs through the magic of laser technology. A powerful laser, controlled with incredible precision, etches microscopic pits onto the reflective surface of the disk. These pits, arranged in a spiral track that starts from the center of the disk and winds its way outward, represent the binary code, the language of computers. Zeros and ones, represented by the presence or absence of a pit, are encoded onto the disk's surface with astonishing density. This process, known as burning, transforms the DVD from a blank slate into a repository of information. The laser, like a digital scribe, etches data onto the disk's surface, creating a microscopic landscape of information. Section 5. A spectrum of information adding color and labels. With the data securely encoded, it's time to add the finishing touches. This step is crucial, as it not only protects the data but also makes the disk visually appealing and informative. The disk, still bearing only its reflective aluminum layer, needs protection and a way to be identified. Without this, the disk would be vulnerable to damage and indistinguishable from others. This is where a layer of lacquer and the familiar colorful labels come in. The lacquer acts as a shield, while the labels provide essential information and branding. A thin layer of lacquer, often UV cured for durability, is applied over the aluminum. This process ensures that the disk can withstand handling and environmental factors. This protective coating shields the delicate data layer from scratches, dust, and the ravages of time. It's a critical step in preserving the longevity and functionality of the disk. It's this lacquer layer that gives the DVD its characteristic shine. This shine is not just for aesthetics, it signifies a well-protected and high-quality product. Finally, the disk receives its label. This label is meticulously applied to ensure it adheres properly and remains intact during use. This isn't just for aesthetics. It also contains information about the disk's content and region coding. These details are crucial for the end user to understand what the disk contains and where it can be used. Using high-speed printing techniques, colorful labels are applied to the disks, transforming them from anonymous silver platters into recognizable carriers of movies, music, or software. This transformation is the final step in the manufacturing process, making the disks ready for distribution and use. Section 6. Ensuring perfection quality control measures. Before our DVD can embark on its journey to homes and computers around the world, it must pass rigorous quality control tests. These tests ensure that each disc meets the highest standards of readability, durability, and longevity. Specialized machines scan the disks for any errors in the data layer, ensuring that every bit of information is perfectly encoded. The disks are also subjected to environmental tests, simulating extreme temperatures and humidity to ensure they can withstand the rigors of shipping and storage. Only the disks that pass these stringent tests are deemed worthy of carrying the weight of information they hold. The rejected disks are recycled, their materials used to create new blank slates ready to be filled with data. Section 7. From factory floor to living room, packaging and distribution. Having proven their mettle, the flawless discs are ready for their final transformation. They are carefully packaged to protect them during their journey from the factory floor to homes and businesses around the globe. Automated machines swiftly and efficiently place the discs into their protective cases, which are then shrink-wrapped or boxed. The packaged DVDs are then stacked onto pallets, ready to be shipped to distribution centers. From there, they are sent to stores, warehouses, and online retailers, making their way into the hands of eager consumers, ready to experience the magic stored within those shimmering discs. Section 8. A legacy of entertainment DVD uses. The DVD, once a revolutionary technology, has become a ubiquitous part of modern life. From blockbuster movies and beloved TV series to educational software and video games, DVDs have become the go-to medium for storing and distributing vast amounts of data. Their portability, durability, and affordability have made them a popular choice for entertainment, education, and data archiving. They have found their way into homes, schools, libraries, and businesses, providing access to information and entertainment at the touch of a button. Though newer technologies like streaming services have gained prominence, DVDs continue to hold their own, offering a tangible and reliable way to access and preserve our digital heritage. Section 9. The future of data, beyond the disk. As we stand on the precipice of new technological advancements, The future of data storage seems limitless. While streaming services and cloud storage are rapidly evolving, the humble DVD, with its proven track record of reliability and accessibility, is unlikely to disappear entirely. Instead, it may evolve, adapting to new forms and formats, while retaining its core function as a reliable storage medium. Perhaps we'll see hybrid disks that combine the physical storage of DVDs with the online accessibility of cloud-based systems. Whatever the future holds, one thing is certain: the ingenuity and precision that gave birth to the DVD will continue to drive innovation, propelling us further into the ever-expanding universe of data storage.